Welcome back, everybody. This is Boots from Cyborg Team. Today we have the Huiccn 60% Bluetooth wireless mechanical keyboard. This is a 60% board, has 61 keys, wireless Bluetooth connectivity, detachable cable, anti-ghosting technology, full N-key rollover as RGB backlighting with 19 different effects, double shot shine through keycaps, and this also features optical switches. Open the box, you got a user manual, you got the keyboard itself, and look how compact that is. That's awesome. All black design. On the back there, you got a centered detachable USB-C slot. On the back, you have your on and off switch for your Bluetooth and 4 rubber feet. What else is in the box? Detachable USB-C cable to USB-A. Couple extra switches, a switch puller, and a keycap puller. And check out this keyboard. Nice weight on here. Let's see, there's no flex in this deck. These keycaps have like a shiny, I don't know if you can catch that. They're like a shiny sided, but up top it's a matte, like texture feeling. It's actually pretty nice. I never saw that combo before with the shiny keycaps. Let's just go ahead and turn this on Bluetooth, see if we have any juice. Now this comes with a 2000 milliamp hour battery built in, and straight away you see it powered on there. 2000 milliamp hours, that gives you about 40 hours of use. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 different dimming levels. Function and backslash will change the lighting effects. It's not the brightest thing ever, but also, this keyboard is running for $40 on Amazon right now. I'll have a link in the description. And while you're down there, please hit like, hit subscribe, leave a comment if you have any specific questions. 60% wireless Bluetooth. You can connect up to 3 devices and swap between them with a quick keystroke. Let's go ahead and connect this to our computer. All right, so first I'm going to hit function and Q, which would be for Bluetooth 1. Hit function and P. I'm going to hold that down until this starts flashing. Now I'm in pairing mode. Now I'm going to go to my PC here. So on my PC, it labeled this keyboard as 61BT. Pretty generic, but it's connected. See, it's pretty rattly sounding, but not too bad of a typing experience. What I want to do now, I want to connect this to another Bluetooth device. So now I'm going to hit function and 2. You'll see it flash there. Now it's in Bluetooth 2 mode. And then I'll hit function and P. I'll hold that down until it's flashing. Now I'll go over to my phone here. Okay, now I'm connected to my phone via Bluetooth. Now I want to test how fast or how long it takes to switch from device 2 to device 1. Here I am on Bluetooth 1, or I'm sorry, Bluetooth 2. Let's see how long it takes me to connect to Bluetooth 1. So I'll hit function and 1. And it's about instant. You know what? That's pretty quick. It switches back. It's almost instantaneous. You got about a second before it registers, but that's pretty quick for anybody who was interested in that. Let's check out these switches inside. There's another look at that shiny sided keycap with the matte top. I don't know if you can see that, but there is no brand name on this switch. Nobody is claiming credit for this black optical switch. And if you can hear, this is a clicky switch. The bump is about halfway down. As you can see, it's optical switch, so if you want to hot swap it, you can put different optical switches in, but as far as this brand, I'm not sure. That's the Huiccn 60% board, Bluetooth wireless, connect up to 3 devices, detachable cable, has optical switches, very minimal branding. You're not even going to see it as you're using it. 4 rubber feet on the back. pretty basic on the back, mechanical gaming keyboard. N key rollover, anti-ghosting, pretty much everything you want in a budget package. I'm gonna say right now, pretty good. I'm not mad about the purchase. I like the Bluetooth. I do like that it switches almost instantaneously as I swap between the different modes. Also, this is what it'll look like if you put your custom keyboard cable into it. So yeah, I'd say overall it's pretty good. Again, I'm gonna need you to hit like, hit subscribe, hit me with any comments if you have any questions. I'll get back to you about it. But I'm gonna call this one. This is Boots from Cyborg Team, and I'm out. I'll catch you in the next one.